To change a DP9 ribbon, press the side tabs in and lift the cover. Press the A and B key to position the printhead to the ribbon load position. Then turn the power off. Pull down the lifter ring to raise the carriage. Pull down the two tabs on the ribbon guide plate. Rotate the top of the ribbon cartridge towards you and remove, taking the ribbon from behind the gap wheel. To install a new ribbon, pull down a little bit of slack on the ribbon. Insert the ribbon fabric behind the gap wheel. Make sure that the ribbon fabric is on top of the two round ribbon guide posts and not between the ribbon guide posts and the ribbon shield. Load the lower end of the ribbon into the side plate, then rotate it up into the locking position. When installing the ribbon cartridge, you may have to turn the ribbon drive knob to make it align with the gears behind to get it to snap into position. Make sure there are no twists in the ribbon. Rotate the ribbon knob clockwise. Raise the ribbon shield up. Lower the lifter knob. Lower the cabinet, making sure that the tabs lock into the cabinet.